Let's talk about the Markovnikoff's rule and the problems given in the quiz. First, we need to go back to the materials provided in the classwork. These are video clips. These are lecture videos. And this is a PDF material. And if I click to open this material, this is what will be shown. And if we proceed to the page where you have the discussion on Markovnikoff's rule, so let us enlarge this portion and this portion. Okay, together we can read this together. The Markovnikoff's rule. In the addition of HX or H2O to an alkene, hydrogen adds to the carbon of the double bond having the greater number of hydrogens. Another way of saying it is that in the addition of HX to an alkene, hydrogen adds to the doubly bonded carbon that has the greater number of hydrogens already bonded to it. So in the quiz, all you need to do is copy the Markovnikoff's rule, and then in the second problem, you are given a compound below, so referring to this structure, reacts with HX via Markovnikoff's rule. You are asked to which carbon will the hydrogen attach? To which carbon will the X attach? And if the X is a chlorine, what will be the name of the product of reaction? Name of the product. Not the name of the reaction, but the product of reaction. So going back to the material, take note of this portion. Let us enlarge that. Propene reacting with HCl. The H goes to this carbon because it has more hydrogens than the other carbon. Okay, so we are talking of the carbons involved in the double bond. So the hydrogen goes to this carbon and the chlorine to the second carbon, and you have the product of reaction 2-chloropropane. In this case, you are also given a propene. H goes to this carbon, X goes to the second carbon, and the product of the reaction is this 2-chloropropane. Next problem. The compound below is called methylene cyclohexane. Now, in this structure, it is understood that in every corner of the structure, it is understood that there are carbons. Okay, reacting with HBr. So hydrogen goes to this carbon and Br to the other carbon via Markovnikoff's rule. So the product of reaction will be this. So you are asked to draw the product of reaction. This time in this problem, it is no longer an HX but H2O. So if it is an H2O, the H will proceed to the carbon number 1 and OH will proceed to carbon number 2, and the product of reaction will be this. 2-propanol or isopropyl alcohol.